So responding to requests. So let's say I ask you for help, biko nyere m aka, and you wanted to do it, you would say yes, I will. O is yes. O is yes. Or if you're going to say, oh yes, I am coming. O ana m abịa. So bịa is come. O ana m abịa. Or you wanted to do it later. You say, oh, emecha. O is yes. Emecha later. Emecha, you can just say emecha later. Emecha kameya. Later, I will do it. Emecha kameya. Later, I will do it. If you wanted to say no, that would be mba. Mba. Okay? Your turn. How would you say yes? Oh, well done. And how would you say later? Emecha. Well done. And how would you say later I will do it? Emecha meya. Excellent. Well done. And how would you say no? Because it's important to learn how to say no as well. Mba. Mba. Well done.